Esteemed colleagues, let me tell you something about this workshop. As you know, every policy intervention, from tax breaks to vaccination programs to administrative reforms to technical assistance to farmers, every policy intervention is based on a set of assumptions on how this policy intervention is expected to work and how it is expected to achieve the objective it was set out to achieve. The problem that we face as evaluators is that these assumptions are not always explicit. And even when we find strategy documents, policy documents, and project documents that lay out some kind of program theory, this is often incomplete or very weakly articulated. But in order to evaluate a policy intervention, we need to make explicit how the intervention works, so we really can develop the right type of evaluation design to evaluate it. And this is really the core of theory-based evaluation. And in fact, I would argue the core of almost every type of evaluation, to reconstruct the program theory underlying the policy intervention and then to use this theory to guide the evaluative exercise. So in this workshop, we will discuss theory-based evaluation in a very clear and stepwise approach. We will go through questions like, what do we mean by program theory? Why is it really important? What are the sources? How do we develop it? How do we use program theory as a framework for evaluation? And what are some of the challenges? The workshop will be very practice-oriented. There may be even music. We will use examples from different sectors and we will use several practical group exercises to develop our common understanding of the topic. And to conclude, as several famous evaluators have said, including Carol Wise and Ray Pawson, there is really nothing as practical as a good theory in evaluation. So esteemed colleagues, I really look forward to seeing you in this workshop. Thanks.